Do you have the perfect resume, but you're not getting calls for interviews? You're probably missing that killer cover letter that grabs the HR manager's attention right from the start. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a professional and stylish cover letter in just 5 minutes. And the best part? You can download this template absolutely free. I'll tell you exactly how at the end of the video. I'll share all the formatting secrets, how to set perfect margins, add your signature, and structure your contact information correctly. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use template you can download instantly. Stop wasting time. Let's jump in. All right, let's dive in. In the search bar, type Google Docs, hit Enter, and head to the official website. Next, you see, if you're logged in, a plus icon. Click right there. An automatic document is created. If you aren't registered, you'll have to go through a quick setup in Google Docs to get your account ready. Let's start configuring. Go to the File tab, Page Setup. In the Margins field, I enter top and bottom as 0 and left and right as 2 centimeters. Document format A4. Perfect. Now let's set the main font. Go to the Fonts tab, select Lotto and Normal, and set the size to 10. Nice. Now let's create the main title, Name. Go to the Insert tab, Table, and pick a table. There we go, the table is ready. Grab the slider in the middle and pull it more to the right. That works. And here I type, well, for example, Jameson Novak. Got it. Now highlight this header, make it font size 36. Hit the second part of Enter, jump to the second column. In the Alignment panel, make it right align. Then click the 3 dots, Table Options, and in the Cell column, select Vertical Bottom. And I paste the already prepared text. We click the link twice and just press the button to remove link, because we absolutely don't need that in a resume. Now let's kill the borders. Go to Color and select 0 point. And just like that, our borders disappear. Awesome, looks professional and neat enough. Let's add a dividing line. Go to the Insert tab, click Horizontal Line. I love that look. Following that, I enter the text, the header, and the main body of the letter. I've already prepared this, and I advise you to do the same, so you can just drop it into our document. Scroll down a bit, press Enter twice, and go to the Insert tab, Image, Upload from Computer. Insert our previously prepared signature. Select the image, make it a bit smaller, then hit Move, and then finally, I'll straighten it out a bit, choose Fix Position on the page, and check. Pay close attention here. I want our signature to move together with the text when the text changes. For this, we need to set behind text and move with text. This ensures the signature will always stay with the text. So if the text shrinks, the signature adjusts accordingly. All right, moving on. Okay, the doc is ready. Now let's zoom out a bit. Set it to 75%. This way, we see the document more fully. And now we can align the indentation a bit. Just straightening it up a little. Sharp. I like it. Looks neat. Let's title this document. I advise against naming it just a 4. When applying, it's best to write your name, resume, and the specialization you are targeting. One last thing, I will show you how to properly save it. Go to the File tab, Download, and choose to download as a PDF document. And just like that, we're done. We just finished. What you're looking at is a stylish, professional cover letter that is completely ready to send. Now for the main event. Just like I promised, you can get this ready-made Google Docs template, the exact one we created together, absolutely free. The download link is waiting for you right now in the description below this video. If this guide genuinely saved you a ton of time, don't forget to hit that huge like button and subscribe so you don't miss my next videos. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I'll catch you very soon in the next one.